Hi, these are the ingredients needed to make a hair serum. So this is good especially for those who are suffering from hair loss. This will make strengthen your hair and good growth of the hair. So these are the things needed. For the essential oils, I'm using the Young Living essential oils. So we're going to need the peppermint essential oil, rosemary, melaleuca alternifolia, or tea tree. This is tea tree essential oil, cedarwood, and lavender essential oil. And for the carrier oil, we're going to need castor oil. Castor oil at least 120 ml. And then we're going to put at least 10 drops of each essential oil. So 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of rosemary, 10 drops of tea tree, 10 drops of cedarwood, 10 drops of lavender essential oil. So we will just add everything on the bottle of the castor oil. Then you're going to apply that at least every night, and then you have to rinse your hair the following day. So now I will be putting 10 drops of peppermint. Here's the peppermint to the bottle of castor oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll do the same for each bottle. So next I will put 10 drops of rosemary. So here's the rosemary. Let's add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Then let's add tea tree essential oil. Let's put also 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then now I will put 10 drops of cedarwood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lastly, we'll put 10 drops of lavender. So I added now everything, all these essential oils to the bottle of castor oil. So now we'll just mix this. Yeah, mix just like this, upside down. And then let it stand. And tonight, before going to bed, just massage it on your scalp and leave it until the morning, the next day. You just rinse your hair or your scalp the following day. So I will link everything down. The castor oil, you can get any castor oil you want. And then, but for the essential oils, I'm using the Young Living essential oils. I will show you also the before and after picture of those people who use this already, and also for me. Usually you will see a difference after like 1 to 2 months. So there is like your hair will be more thicker, it will be more stronger, and of course more hair growth. So the difference usually is observed after 1 to 2 months. So you can try this hair serum for hair loss.